Before you go ahead and watch today's vlog, I want to show you something real quick that I got in the mail from Style and Glam Accessories. And Style and Glam Accessories is owned by a Jamaican. Her name is Shauna. Hi girl. Shauna and I met here on YouTube, and of course each one help one, and she's a Jamaican, so why not promote her goodies? So Shauna have an accessory online store that she sells amazing accessories. I got to try a few of the accessories from Shauna's line, which is Style and Glam Accessories. You can go ahead and find Shauna on Instagram at Style and Glam Accessories. You can visit her website at www.styleandglamaccessories.com, and you can email Shauna at styleandglamaccessories@gmail.com. So go ahead and follow Shauna over on Instagram and visit her website and choose one of the amazing accessories that Shauna have on her website. So two of the things she sent me, I'm gonna show you guys right now, that came in the mail, and I can't wait for outside to open up, y'all, so I can rock these. So I choose these stylish glasses, which I can't wait to rock. So let me show you guys. Ooh, oh my god, actually it's the first I'm trying them on. It's the first I'm trying them on, and I'm happy I choose these because I like cat-shaped glasses, and this is so me. This is me all day, every day. So when outside open up, girl, yes, thanks Shauna, love this. All right, another thing that Shauna sends me is this this accessory from her website. And I was pleasantly surprised by this one because I did not choose this one. So she sent this one as a gift, which I absolutely in love with. But I think somebody else is more in love with it than me, which is Babe. There we go. There we go. It's a necklace with my initial of my name with an M. And funny enough, when Babe saw this, Babe said, oh my god, I think that one is for me. Because I have a chain with a L and he doesn't have one with an M. So I love this. I think Babe will rock it a few times. So I got me my M and I'm in love with it. Thank you, Shauna. So go ahead and visit Shauna's website at www.styleandglamaccessories.com and order some of Shauna goodies. Support your girl. And yes, when outside open back, I'll be ready. Serving face, serving looks. So anyway, you guys, now you can go ahead and enjoy today's vlog. You don't want a pancake?
Yes, I want.
So you're not gonna help me make it? No?
But I can't to burn myself. So that's why I'm asking you that. I can go.
Come say good morning to the face.
Good morning.
Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. Eat. Eat. I'm telling you guys good morning, and sorry I turn around looking at my baby's feeding her lunch. So you guys know I'm on brunch things right now. Tyler said he wants, I shouldn't even say I'm on brunch things, I'm on lunch things, but brunch, lunch, whatever you want to call it. Tyler said he wants pancake for lunch, so I'm doing that right now. So that's what I'm doing right now. The entire family is up. Tyler is in his room playing. Baby's here. Feeding Sarah lunch. Let me show you guys them. Say morning, husband.
Good morning.
And Sarah can't say good morning because she can't turn around it. So you guys will see Sarah in a bit. She's what? She think it?
Yeah, she say it in her head.
She say it in her head. Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Sarah's having lunch.
She's miserable.
And babe says she's miserable.
Hey.
She beating babe up. She and babe is at war. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys have a good day today. It is holiday here. It's holiday, so babe don't have no work today. Babe don't got work today, but babe have to go on the road in the afternoon because today is the day where he gets allotted to go and pick up our mask from the government. So he have to go get our mask today. He have to go join some kind of line to get the mask. However, those masks that he's gonna get, he's just gonna get 3, I think. So I'm gonna have to make some handmade some at home because we will be opening back officially to go outside next week. So I'm gonna have to make some masks.
I think Papa going to bring seven masks for when they read again some coronavirus and again.
Is you gonna give Papa 7 masks?
Not just that I want him to buy.
Yeah, but if he have to buy it when he see it, right now it's not available to buy.
Tu veux ça? Tu veux ça?
Sarah is giving babe hell over there.
She's tired.
She's tired. She wants to
She
sleep.
put her hand in her head.
Hurry and feed her. And she's so frisky, babe can't anticipate all her movements. She's all over the place. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are doing well. Stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated, and whatever it is that you guys are doing today, have fun doing it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below. And let me know if it's your first time watching the Fan Bam.
Mama, do you see my Lego police truck piece that's built already? I don't think.
If I see your what?
My police little Lego truck.
No, I don't.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Pourquoi tu pleures tout le temps, toi? Pourquoi tu pleures tout le temps? Hein? Pourquoi tu pleures tout le temps?
Don't wanna make she start crying again, you know.
Pourquoi tu pleures tout le temps? Ah! Mais papa il doit mettre beaucoup de nourriture dans la bouche pour pas que tu pleures. Hein? C'est ça? Allez, encore un petit peu. Encore un petit peu. Voilà. Oh, aujourd'hui c'est vendredi, je croyais aujourd'hui c'était samedi. Et c'est fini, bravo, t'as fini.
The war is over.
Oh, I don't know if the war is over, the war just stops if she want more.
Alright, sit. Pancake coming.
Oh, I can watch the TV.
No, you don't watch the TV when you eat.
Papa going to eat right now.
Papa is taking a shower.
The food I will eat it before everybody and I will finish it before everybody.
Get a mat.
Yeah.
Hi, get a mat.
Yeah.
Sarah, come. What do you say? Come, Sarah. Jesus Christ.
What? Stop it, my
You
answer.
never stop until you reach me, huh? You never stop until you reach Mama. Say hello to the faves. Say hello, everybody.
Mama wants to say hello to you. Hello. I know thank you for telling us where is your mask. But I don't know if one of you have a thousand of mask, like 10 or 100 like that. You can wear one of these masks when there's again and again coronavirus.
Okay, they hear you.
What did he say?
They'll tell you in the comments and then I'll tell you what they say, okay?
Okay.
Alright, go and sit and eat. This boy is something else. Teeny. Watch her looking at her brother. Y'all know when her attention is that focused, is stylish looking at.
Yeah. Every time when I make her laugh, she turn around and not looking at me.
Teeny struggles. Say hello guys, I just woke up from my nap. And look at Sarah. This outfit was Tyler's outfit. If you guys been watching us for a while, then you guys will know this exact outfit. This was Tyler's outfit and now it's Sarah's outfit. Sarah took a nap. Mama got a full-on blast workout in, so that's satisfied, so happy about it. Make sure you guys taking this quarantine and stay active. It's not even about losing weight, but it's staying active and staying healthy and clearing your mind of everything that is just happening in this world. You have no idea how good it feels after a workout, how clear and light and relief you feel of just everything. Anyway, you guys, this crazy hair has started because her hair starts to curl, so it can't stay down anymore. It starts flipping in all different directions. That's exactly how Tyler own started to curl. Anyway, baby's gone to get her mask on the road and I'm about to have lunch, so let me show you how yummy my lunch look for today. This is my lunch: roast chicken that I had from yesterday and quinoa, little quinoa, tomato and lettuce. So there goes lunch, quinoa salad. Mel makes dinner in the kitchen and I am putting in these wings in the oven to roast, and then I'm going to cook gnocchi, one of the Fam Bam's favorite. What?
I love gnocchi so much.
First, broccoli. Okay, you guys, I already ate. I'm just showing you guys what dinner is looking like, for example. So baby's gonna warm this when he gets out of the shower after working out, and add some Parmesan cheese on here. This little one is tired and hungry, so she is gonna have dinner. You're gonna eat. You ready for dinner? You ready for dinner?
I'm going to make a mess without her.
You ready for dinner? You ready for dinner?
I'm going to make a mess without her table.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it. Look at her. She's so tired, y'all. So you guys seen Sarah for the last time tonight. Say night night. Night night. I'm gonna have dinner and go to my bed.
Mama.
I'll also make sure that I have all of Shauna's information down below in the description box, so you can go ahead and click those links and go get your accessory. You guys are coming on to end today's vlog. We got our mask.
8 masks.
8. They sent us 8, so that's good. We have good
Yeah,
amount.
because she doesn't go out, so it's 8 masks for me. You got? When's the last time you went
that is
out of the gate?
2 months.
When,
2 months.
When's the last time you went out of the gate? You
2
step out of
months.
the
It's
gate.
been 2 months since I've ventured out. Wow. Outside's supposed to be brand new.
You know IKEA is already ready?
Lie.
No, when there was
That's
ready.
not true. You can't lie.
you slept for 2 years.
Anyway, you guys, we're coming on to give you guys the expression of the day. What's the French expression for today?
De balle.
Du bal?
Yeah, de balle.
What does that mean?
Back in the times, the currency of France was not euro, was franc, and we used to say, like, for example, Americans say $2, or understand, for $2, they're gonna say $2. They're not gonna say $2.
$2. Okay.
So we said de balle, and de balle it also mean it's like, for example, I give you a joke, a de balle, I mean it's a bad joke, it's only worth to you. So that's an expression. It says somebody that worth de balle, that's somebody that doesn't worth much.
The Jamaican expression for today is knocking teeth. What do you think knocking teeth mean?
That's grammar. That's it.
No, it means
When you're scary, you're not.
no.
When you're cold.
No,
I don't know.
it means not to be too friendly.
Oh, like you and I? Okay.
I mean, I don't laugh. I'm not friendly with
you
people.
You don't laugh. You laugh only with me.
I'm not keen teeth with people.
Yeah. Look, straight face.
Anyway, you guys.
Today, guys, I was happy. I put on the pants, and the pants fits good. I mean, usually I struggle this pants. I feel a little bit tight on it. And
He
this,
came to bed, he said, honey, I feel nice in my pants. He was so excited. You're doing great.
I still have some work, a lot of work to do.
Yeah,
but
we have a long way to
that's
go.
a little sign.
Yes. Oh,
That's
yes.
a little
You're
sign,
doing well.
and give you strength.
Give you hope.
Yeah.
You see light at the end of the tunnel.
Oh, this is not the end. It's just the little light. It's far to be the end.
Anyway, you guys, if you enjoyed today's vlog, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. I hear your stomach.
In my stomach.
Why you shooting me? Shoot a girl.
You are me, girl.